Hello students, I hope you all are doing well. In previous video I made you understand the operation of estimation. Today we will solve exercise 2b in which we have to do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of estimated number. So let's start exercise 2b. The first question is estimate the sum of each pair of number to the nearest 10. Two numbers are there, 67 and 44. So first of all we have to change this number to its nearest 10th place. I told you in previous video how to change any number to its nearest 10th place, 100th place, means how to change or how to change any number or round off any number to the given place. 67 and 44, because 67 to the nearest 10th place will be 70. Similarly 44 to the nearest 10 will be 40. Why? Because at 10th place this 4 is there and before that 4 is there and this 4 is less than 5. So in this case when the number is less than 5 we will not add the 1 in this at 10th place, so it will remain 4, and at this place we will write the 0, so it becomes the 40. Now the required sum of the estimated number 70 plus 40 will be 110. Now the 8th question of 474 and 173. These two numbers are there. Again we have to round off this number to nearest 10th place. 474 to the nearest 10, when we will change it, so it becomes the 470. Why? Because at 7th place, at 10th place 7 is there, so it will be 7, because before 10th place 4 is there and 4 is less than 5. So in this case we will not add 1 in 7 at 10th place, so 7 will remain 7, so it will be 417. 173 to the nearest 10, when we will change it, so it becomes the 170. At 10th place 7 is there and before that 3 is there, 3 is less than 5, so we will not add 1 in 10th place, so 7 will remain 7, and at 10th place 7 will remain 7, and at the place of 3 we will write the 0, so it becomes the 170. Then required sum of estimated number, these two numbers, 470 plus 170, it becomes the 640. Similarly, the question number 2, estimate the sum of each pair of number to nearest 100. In this question we have to estimate the number at 100 place. Here we were doing round of the number at 10th place. Here we are rounding the number of 100 place. Two numbers are given here, 4280 to the nearest 100 at 100 place, 1, 10, 100, 2 is there, and before that 8 is more than 5, so we will add 1 at 100 place, so it becomes the 3, 2 plus 1, 3, and at the place of 8 and 0 we will write the 0. Similarly we will change this number 5295, when we will round off this number at the 100 place, it becomes the 5300. Then required sum of these estimated number will be this. Now the 5th question, estimate each difference to nearest 100. Here we have to subtract. Difference means subtract. We have to find the difference of two numbers at nearest 100 place. So again we have to change or round off these given number at the 100 place. 6352 to the nearest 100. At 100 place 3 is there and 3 before that 5 is there, and you know in case of 5 or more than 5 we add the 1, so we will add 1 at the 100 place. 3 plus 1, 4, then 6, 4, and rest of the digit will convert it into 0. Now second number 2086, at 100 place 0 is there and before 0 8 is there, 8 is more than 5, so we will add 1 and 0, it becomes the 1, Now 2100, 2100. Required difference, we will subtract this number by this, so we will get this. This is the answer. Now question number 7. Estimate each of the following product by rounding off each number to the nearest 10. Again, we have to convert or round off the given number nearest 10 place. 74 into 67, because 74 to the nearest 10 will be the 70. At 10th place 7 is there, before that 4 is less than 5, then 7 will remain 7, we will not add 1 in 7, and at the place of 4 we will write the 0, it becomes the 70. 67, at 10th place 6 is there, before that 7 is more than 5, so we will add 1 in 6, it becomes the 7, and at place of 7 we will write the 0. Again we have got the 70. So required product is equal to 70 into 70, that is 4900. 8th question. Estimate product to nearest 100. Here 3-digit two numbers are there, 624 and 236. We have to multiply this, but after rounding this number to 100 place. 624 to the nearest 100 will be 600, because at 100 place 6 is there, and before that 2, and 2 is less than 5, so in this case we will not add 1. 6 will remain 6, and at place of these two numbers we will write the 0. You know well this. And similarly we will change it. 236 will be 200, or when we will multiply it, 600 into 200, we will get 1,20,000. 9th question. Estimate each of the product, each first number nearest 10 and the other nearest 100. Means two numbers are there. In first number we have to round off to nearest 10 place, and second number we have to round off nearest 100 place. So 28 to nearest 10 place will be 30, because at 10 place 2 is there, and after that 8 is there. 8 is more than 5, so we will add 1 in 3, 1 in 2, it becomes the 3, and at place of 8 we will write the 0, it will be 30. And similarly 287 to the nearest 100, at 100 place 2 is there, before that 8 is more than 5, so in this case we will add 1 in 2 at 100 place, so it will be 3, and at place of 87 we will write the 0. 0, 0. So we have got rounded these two numbers. Required product 30 into 300, it 9,000. Now estimate each of the following quotient by converting each number to the nearest 10. Two numbers are given here, 444 divided by 42. We have to convert it to nearest 10. 444 converted to nearest 10, 110. At 10 place 4 is there, you can see here, and before that this 4 is there, and 4 is less than 5, so in this case we will not add 1 in this, so it will remain the 4, and at this place, at the place of 4 we will write the 0, and it becomes the rounded number of this at 10 place. Now 42 to the nearest 10, it will be the 40, because at 10 plus 4, and before that 2 is there, 2 is less than 5, so 4 will remain 4, we will not add 1, and at place of 2 we will write the 0, because we have to round, because we have to find out the quotient, so it means we have to divide it. 440 divided by 40, we will get the 11. So these some question I solved for you, and I gave you a 2B exercise I shared with you in previous video, and some questions were marked in that exercise. You have to do all those questions as I told you in previous video or today. Okay, and just keep practice and try to do all that question and make a fair copy, and if any problem is there then you can ask me.